Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Look what I've received. I'm so excited because first of all, this is my largest Murakami purchase of the new 20-year anniversary celebration with Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami. As you guys know, they did a relaunch or re-edition of the Takashi Murakami collection this year in 2025, and they have been coming out in waves. So in January of 2025, they came out with the multicolor, which I have some pieces here actually. This is one of the pieces that I picked up, and this is actually from the original collection. So I am a huge fan of Takashi Murakami. First of all, if you guys follow me, then you know that I love Japanese culture. I love all things Japan, and I love going there and vacationing there, learning the language and everything. Learning the language is still a work in progress, but I really love their culture. I think it's so fascinating. There's so much like work and detail that they put into their products and everything like that. So when I was a kid and the Murakami collection came out, it was still available to purchase for a while, but then they started discontinuing it. So this is a really old piece. As you can see, it has that like red interior. Even some of the newer pieces that were discontinued in the early like 2000s or later 2000s, they had like a pink leather interior instead now. But this is a very old piece. This is called the Wapiti. And it does have, it's just like a wristlet kind of thing, but this is old. And this is from the original collection. And yeah, I bought it pre-loved. I also have the mini HL, which is like a mini Speedy in the white multicolor. And then I did purchase 2 items from the multicolor noir because it's the only multicolor that I don't have. Obviously there's only 2 multicolors, but it's one of the multicolors that I don't have. So I bought a card case, and I also bought this. The card case is somewhere in my room, but this is the pencil case, and I actually finally put all my Japanese pens that I bought from Japan last year in October 2024 in this. So if you guys want a little Japanese pen tour, let me know, because I would love to make that, like, I'll probably make like short form content for you there. But this time around, I finally purchased something, and it is something big, as you can see. And I finally got the special edition packaging. So when I went to pick it up, my essay was not there, and then they brought this out. Ooh! Oh gosh. They brought this out for me, and then I saw the packaging and I said, no way, you guys are giving me the Murakami bag, which is so special. And it's like, do you keep this stuff? I do indeed keep this stuff, because I think it is so special to have just these like special edition pieces. So this is a huge bag actually, and I'm gonna try to put this away because it just folds up like this. And it's funny because I brought my Trader Joe's bag down there, like my Trader Joe's tote bag, thinking, oh, the piece that I bought will fit. Like, it's not, I'm not going to need anything. I'm not going to need anything more than that. But then the box was this huge, so, and I didn't realize it. So here it is. Oof. Here is the item that I ended up receiving. I'm so excited for this. And they gave me the ribbon. It says Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami. Did ask if they had any extra stickers or anything like that. The only thing they could give me, she said she would give me these. And it's just like to stick the tissue paper. It says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton Murakami, made in France. What if your item was not made in France? Because I think my pencil case is made in Spain. I had to order this and pay for it beforehand, because that's just how they roll these days. I know that people have been complaining about the whole process. When I first placed my first order, it was the card holder. I got it within a week of placing the order. The second order I placed was the pencil case. I got that in 3 months. It took so long. I think my unboxing was just recently. This one I placed in mid-April. I want to say, no, I think I placed this end of March. I bought this end of March, and then it just came now, and it is May 6th now that I'm filming this. So anyways, I'm very excited because finally I got like a little taste of the packaging. The next release is going to be the cherry and denim collection, but yeah, I'm excited. So I thought this was a drawer. How do you open this? Yeah, it's a drawer. Okay, so I'm just going to undo the one side and open it up. And there's no tissue or anything like that. It's just a drawer box. And here we go. Let me just put this away because the box is so massive. Your guess is in on what I got, but I feel like you know what it is considering the shape. Without further ado, da 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 da! I introduced you, new to my collection, the Papillon. This is the Louis Vuitton Papillon in the cherry blossom print. I don't have anything in the cherry blossom print. I think the new reedition of the Papillon is a lot more my style. I know the older one has like a bow on it, and I don't remember exactly what it looks like, but it is a little bit more jazzy than this one. This is a little bit more my style, I would say. I think it's so cute. It goes over the shoulder really nicely, which is great. I really need to stuff it because she keeps folding in on me. But it is this really beautiful monogram with the cherry blossoms printed on top there. Inside is that beautiful cherry blossom pink. You guys know, if you follow me, I love a cherry blossom. The sweetest thing that this comes with is the matching mini Papillon. I'm so excited for this. This is the Papillon mini one, and you couldn't buy this separately. You had to buy them as the pair. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, it's the textile cards. I'm so thrown off by that now. It used to be like this like sticker, literally a sticker. I still have some of them because I keep everything. But how do I take this off? Okay, I need to figure this out. So the bag was like presented like this on the website. There was like the mini hanging off of it. Obviously, you don't need to wear the mini on the bag, but it's so freaking darling that it came with a mini. I also have regular straps, so if I did want to wear this separately, I could. But mainly what I thought would be really cute is if I got a whole outfit, matched my niblet, and she got a whole outfit and matched me, and we both had a little Papillon with the Takashi Murakami flower cherry blossoms, and like we took a picture. But how stinking cute is that? I'm in love. When they showed me, I was like, you guys are joking, right? Like, that is actually gorgeous. There's another receipt in here. I don't know why. There's 2 receipts in here. That's very weird. I'll put them together, but oh gosh, everything's falling. Anyways, I need to stuff this guy because she is quite flimsy and she is quite like, she needs a little bit of structure. So yeah, they are both made in France. I checked the tag. It says here, 20th anniversary, made in France. You probably might not be able to see it, but it has like the 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton X Murakami, made in France, the cherry blossom, the panda, the cherry, and then Vivi. Vivi is there as well, which is really cute. And same with my matching bag. Here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This one does not say 20th anniversary. It does not say Takashi Murakami. Not sure why. I need to figure out if this is how you're supposed to tie it because it's looking weird, but I don't know. I don't know if this bag specifically was a pass along because none of the hardware has the wrapping on it. And this one, when I received it, had all this wrapping on it. So, which I will be taking off because, like, hello. Let me take that off now. But yeah, it had like wrapping on it. But I did check it over. At first, I was very upset. Well, not very upset, but I saw like one of the flowers had like dirt on it that like rubbed on. It was like sticky, and I thought it meant like the flower was chipping, and I was like, you got to be joking. Like, the paint is chipping on this thing. But then I rubbed it off and it was fine. So that's good. I just didn't want there to be any defects on this item because it is A, so hard to get, and B, just unreal, you know, like just unbelievable how hard it is to get these items. This is it for my Takashi Murakami ventures. I don't think I will be getting anything from the cherry list. Also, there's like a huge price increase, and the denim is so freaking cute. Like, I love the denim cherry stitching, embroidery, and everything like that so much, but I think this is it for me. I like the cherry blossoms a lot more. I think they are really, really darling. They match me a lot better. I just can see myself going to Japan or Asia in general and using this bag. I think it would be really special. I can put a purse pal on there. There's so many areas to put purse pals everywhere. You know what I mean? So I'm very excited. I'm excited that I got this bag. I know there was like the Speedy and stuff like that, but I don't think I'm a Speedy kind of girl. You know, I never really was. I don't own a single like Speedy 25. The only Speedies I have are tiny, tiny, tiny little Speedies that are like this size, and those are best for me. But I love this. Oh, it's so perfect. So anyways, I need to go find a purse organizer for this because I do feel like it needs the structure a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about these two pieces, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer them as best as possible. If you want a review on the Papillon, let me know because I will probably start using these as soon as possible. Once I finish rotating my bag for the week, at the end of the week, I will probably change into one of the, not one of these, but this bag specifically. So let me know if you guys want a review. I can definitely make one because this is the Papillon size, which Louis Vuitton does sell the regular, just regular monogram Papillon size. So let me know if you guys want a review on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.